We're just back at the Holmview house, which is in Holmview, which is just the back of Beenleigh, not far from the office. This is Adrian, it's actually his house, he's one of our designers. So he's actually owned a building this one, and he's used pretty much every single product on the market so far. We've got a combination of the WeatherTex Natural, which is a great product. Has used the trim deck.
Clip lock actually.
Clip lock.
Monument mat.
Monument mat, yeah, looks great.
Finish. Yep. Great combo, very popular right now. Lots of WeatherTex and clip lock going into our kits.
Okay, have a look through. Nice big 1200 wide pivot door.
Burnished concrete floors has been done. It's a bit cheaply polished.
Got one bedroom in here with the high ceilings.
Yeah, got the kitchen flat packs just arrived.
Oh, this is it. Okay.
Yep. Another way to save money.
What's that? Laundry?
This is the bathroom.
Bathroom.
Bathroom number one. Yep. Got lots of VJ board. This is VJ random. Is a popular product to use in Queensland. It's an added feature.
So where's your kitchen going? Just over there.
Kitchen is going here. You have nice high ceilings and have nice high cabinets. And the lounge room will be here. Some real nice fans going to be going in and taking advantage of the good view and the natural light coming in. The nice high ceilings made things extra hard having it nice and high, but it's going to help in the end.
It's a 4.2 metre wide stacking slider door, which has also been recessed as well. So this being the finished product on the floor, it's important that it's all nice and seamless.
Yep, so we used black butt for the decking, 140 mil wide, just to make it a bit nicer, and pretty hardened balustrade, just to help natural timbers.
And on the outside, it's got the Axon, the WeatherTex Natural, and Hardy Flex down the side.
Some Hardy Flex on the sides, yep.
So this is the Hardy Flex with the cover batten over the top, which is one of the standard products. It's very easy to put on, and it creates that sort of beach house sort of look.
The house is about 180 squares in total, yes.
Yeah. Big triangle windows there, raking to follow the natural, or to follow the raked ceiling on the living room as well. Looks great.